Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of hidden prices on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve hidden prices on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to AliExpress and you will enter here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.